welcome back to my YouTube video. As you guys know that I've been uploading training mini vlogs of my training at Indigo, and so here I'm back with another video. Here I will share all the important questions that are required जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए तैयारी करते हो या आप सोचते हो कि आपको कैबिन क्रू का इंटरव्यू देना है, तो कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो आपको तैयार करने हैं एंड व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स दैट यू नीड to appear for the interview. Also in this video I will share the upcoming events of Indigo interview that will be conducted in other places, as well as I will share the events that conducted in Delhi, because most of my audience is from Delhi, so I would like them to know what is the venue and how they can visit to give the interview there. So let's start the video without any further delay. Okay, so I will start the video with the important questions that are being asked in the recent interview taken by Indigo. In my personal interview, as you know that I've been selected at Indigo, so I gave interview in November. So मेरे इंटरव्यू में जो मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था वो था कि what is customer service according to you, and how you think that customer service is important for aviation sector. So this was the one question that was asked in the group of 15 girls that were present there. So I think out of 15 girls, as I told you that 3 were selected, we all gave answer about this. बट जो उन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया, मेरे ऑब्जर्वेशन से उन्होंने उन लोगों को सेलेक्ट किया जिन्होंने कुछ यूनिक पॉइंट ऐड किया अपने साइड से, लाइक हु हैव गिवन यूनिक पॉइंट रादर देन गिविंग द सेम सिमिलर आंसर एज एवरीबडी वॉज गिविंग. सो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी, जब आप कोई आंसर दे रहे हो और आपने देख लिया कि बाकी लड़कियों ने जो आंसर दिया है, जब आप आंसर दे रहे हो तो उस टाइम पे आप सेम वही चीज़ मत बोलो, उसको अपने वर्ड्स में और कुछ एक यूनिक पॉइंट ऐड करो जो कि हाईलाइट हो, एंड द HR विल नो दैट यू हैव समथिंग एंड यू आर केपेबल ऑफ इट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई वॉज आस्क्ड. एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आई वुड से बेसिकली सबसे ज़्यादा जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है वो आपके बारे में पूछा जाता है, लाइक टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ. तो वो चीज़ आपको बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करनी है. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर इट सो वेल, लाइक यू हैव टू गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन इन ब्रीफ विद ऑल द डिटेल्स, सो दैट इन योर इंट्रोडक्शन itself you will cover everything and the HR does not have any other cross questions to ask. And the important thing or the mantra that I would say that you keep in mind is you have to be confident while you're speaking. सो कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब आप कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो तो जो आप बोलते हो वो सामने वाले के ऊपर एक इम्पैक्ट छोड़ता है. सो इफ़ यू आर स्पीकिंग एंड यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इन इट, so that is the most important thing that you have to carry while giving a cabin crew interview. So thirdly, I would like to cover a question that I was asked in my comments. Is it necessary that you know English while you're giving a cabin crew interview? So I would say yes. You should have a good command on your English and you should speak English well if you are appearing for cabin crew interview, because that is the most important thing that you should have while appearing for the interview. And I would say if you have a good command on your English and you can speak English so well, so your first stage of the interview is already cleared, because in your interview round they ask you questions like where they check your grammar while speaking. So they will ask you some questions in the past tense, like how did you spend your last Sunday, what was your memorable day of your life. So they will ask these questions to check your grammar and check your command on English. While you're speaking, you don't fumble, and while you're speaking, you are confident of what you're speaking. That is also very important. So I must say that English is really important for appearing for the interview of cabin crew. Next question that they might ask you is why you want to join aviation sector, or why you want to become cabin crew. What excites you to join in aviation sector? And that is the frequent and the recent asked question in the cabin crew interview. Also, the next question I would say, they would ask you why you want to join particularly Indigo. They would ask this question to check Like if you're appearing for Indigo interview, whether you have researched about Indigo or not, one of the most important thing while you're appearing for the interview is, while you're giving your interview, put a good smile on your face. While you're giving any answer, put a good smile on your face, because being a cabin crew, you have to do that, and they check that as well while you're giving any answer, while you're interacting with different people. I must say these are some of the important questions that you should prepare while giving interview. या फिर अगर आप पहली बार इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो, तो ये सारे क्वेश्चन हैं जो आपको प्रिपेयर करके जाने हैं, ताकि आपका इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्शन हो जाए. बिकॉज जब मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था, मैं भी पहली बार ही इंटरव्यू देने गई थी. I was thinking like I will not be selected for the first time, so let's just give it a try. So I should tell you that you should prepare these questions, and when you're appearing for the interview, you will definitely clear it. Also, now I will go ahead and discuss the upcoming venue of the events that will be conducted by Indigo for the interview in Delhi and other cities. And I will also upload the link in my description from where you can check the venue list of the events that are being organized in the month January and after that. So let's discuss about the events now. So Indigo is expanding their business, so they have a lot of opportunities, and there are a lot of opportunities for you to get into Indigo right now, because they are expanding their business, so they have requirement for lot of candidates. So still they have their ongoing events, and they have also planned the events in January, coming month in January. So the first event is on 4th of January at Aerocity. So the full address you can check in the link I will add in my description. You can go to Indigo's website and check under the hiring events. And the second event is on 15th January in Delhi. These are all the events in Delhi. And the next event after that is on 22nd of January in Saket. And then one is on 25th of January. The location is Wordmark Tower 1, Aerocity. And the timing for the interview is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So if you want to give interview, so you should reach there by 8 or earliest before 11 a.m. If you visit the venue after 11 a.m., they will not let you in, because they have a particular slot in which they take the entry of the candidates, because they have to arrange the candidates accordingly, and there are a lot of people who come for the interview on daily basis. So they have set a timing from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. for the candidates to be admitted for the interview. So I would say when you are going for the interview, make sure you reach there on time. That is also really important. This is pretty much about the important questions and venue of Indigo interview. Please comment, like and share my YouTube channel, so that I can give more YouTube videos and with lot of content about aviation sector and help you out with this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you super soon.